All right, team. Welcome back to Asphalt 99. Forget the hype. Forget the fluff. We're here to talk about what matters. The machine, the drive, the connection between driver and road. Today, we've got our hands on the details of the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. And the big question on my mind is, did they finally make this best-selling appliance a true driver's car? Let's get into it. First up, the looks. I'll give them this. It's a massive improvement. The front end is way more aggressive. Those new headlights are slim and focused, and the whole fascia has been cleaned up. It looks lower, wider, and a hell of a lot meaner than the outgoing model. It has a proper presence now. It's less of a friendly bubble and more of a weapon. The new wheel designs are more aerodynamic, sure, but they also look fantastic, filling the arches properly. The rear end is tied together with that single light bar, which is becoming a trend, but it works here. It gives the car a much more premium and planted look. So on aesthetics alone, it's a win. They've sculpted the body to be more than just efficient. It's now genuinely desirable. But looks are one thing, the cabin is where you live. And this is where things get interesting. The old Model Y interior felt sparse, functional, but cold. The Juniper refresh addresses this head-on. You get a completely new ambient lighting system that wraps around the cabin, which I admit adds a lot of character. The materials are a big step up. Better fabrics, better fit and finish. They've finally put ventilated seats in the front, and the seats themselves have more bolstering, which is crucial for holding you in place when you start to push it. They've also packed in more sound deadening and used acoustic glass. A quiet cabin is great for a daily, but it also means you can better hear what the chassis and tires are doing when you're on the limit. If you appreciate reviews that get into the nitty-gritty of what a car feels like to drive, not just what's on the spec sheet, hit that subscribe button for Asphalt 99. We keep it real. Back to the tech, you get a bigger main screen and a new screen for the rear passengers. But the biggest change for the driver? The rumored removal of the stalks on the steering column, replaced by buttons on the wheel. That's a controversial one. For a true driver, tactile, physical controls are king. I'm reserving judgment until I can feel it myself, but it's a point of concern for sure. All right, let's get to the heart of it. The performance and handling. The long-range model will still be insanely quick for what it is, but the new performance trim is the one we care about. We're talking a 0 to 60 time of around 3.3 seconds. That's monstrous. That's enough to embarrass some serious sports cars. But straight-line speed was never the Model Y's problem. The problem was the ride and handling balance. And this is where Tesla might have hit a home run. They fitted it with an all-new adaptive suspension. This is a game changer. It means the car can be a comfortable cruiser for the family, but then transform into a stiff, responsive machine in sport mode. Paired with a staggered wheel setup and potentially a rear-biased torque setup, this could finally give the Model Y the dynamic, engaging feel we've been craving. You also get bigger brakes and a carbon fiber spoiler for actual aerodynamic benefit. This isn't just a software tune and a badge. It's a genuine hardware overhaul designed for people who love to drive. They finally seem to understand that it's not just about how fast you get there, but how much fun you have along the way. So the verdict on the 2026 Model Y Juniper, it's shaping up to be a seriously compelling package. It's sharper, more luxurious inside, and most importantly, it has the hardware to back up its insane speed with real-world handling dynamics. It might just be the one electric SUV that can do it all. You want honest, no-nonsense car reviews that focus on the drive? That's what we do here at Asphalt 99. Subscribe now so you never miss a burnout, a launch, or an unfiltered take on the latest machines. Drive hard.